As a specialist manufacturer of electric soldering irons, EXSO Corporation's desktop 4-axis automatic robot Autoro-7634 enables precise and repetitive operations with simple settings, maximizing soldering performance at a reasonable price. The core components of the 4-axis control-based automatic soldering robot Autoro-7634 are composed of the following 5 elements. The wire solder automatic feeder is equipped with a V-cut device, which suppresses flux scattering. The automatic soldering device, based on a 4-axis control, adds rotation to the XYZ3 axes, making work possible from all angles. The soldering iron unit, moving along with the 4-axis control soldering device, consists of an angle guide part and a solid solder supply guide tip. It adjusts the angle of the soldering iron and supplies solder precisely to the desired location. The high-frequency soldering iron power supply unit, using an IGBT switching part, provides a stable 200 watts of power to the high-frequency induction heating soldering iron, enhancing work efficiency. It also maintains the set temperature using a temperature sensor, enabling precise soldering. Moreover, by designing and manufacturing soldering joint device tips in-house, it is possible to achieve maximized production with custom tips. This system, recognized with 6 patents in South Korea, is a desktop device unrestricted by location and can be easily operated by anyone using a touch-type PC. Although all industries continue to develop, soldering remains an indispensable part of the production of electrical and electronic products. EXSO's ultra-precision soldering technology continuously innovates, earning recognition as a production partner that improves the quality and productivity of client products and continues to lead the global soldering industry.